Hello guys, I am Mr. Mremi, continuing from the last video that we did, the functions of this site or system. Today we will be going through on how you can change the text in this website. So basically we always start from index. We need to know how to locate every file, especially when you are using a browser. All right, so what is localhost real index? Simply to get to know this, real is the folder that index is in, right, while localhost is the where the server is located. So in any kind of web-based system that is hosted in a server, we usually have a folder called htdocs. htdocs, this is where any system the folder of the system should be in. So we have this folder called real, and that's the one that we have here. So if you just type localhost real and you press enter, then you'll be able to you'll just like find yourself in the index file. So we can say that index is the very first file that one interacts with immediately you open or you have a system, and therefore index file is very important to any kind of website, because automatically, in case you just type the folder, or that in case you have hosted, if you type that IP address, index file is the first place that the server or will the page that will be actually required to be displayed. So where is that index? It is in a folder called real, and here it is. So we want to know the content. You can always edit. If you open index file, you'll find from the top here we have several things like title, right, real estate management system. So you can always find that title here, real management system, estate system. Then it's good to note that we have this link asset css, main css. It depends on the system or the website, web-based project that you're working on. For this one, this main css is in a folder called asset, in a folder called css, and the file is main css. So this is which is responsible of the graphics part of it, that is the design. Now going down here, we have the navigation bar that is calling home, about us, contact us, and up. So this is this one, right? Yeah. So if you want to change, if you want to add a link, that is where you can change. Then we have another header here. So this header up is the one that carries the image, background image. Can you see this background image that shows something like a lad, or yeah, something like that, a plot. So through this, if you go through this css, for example, let me show you something unique here. If I copy this header up, because I know it's the one that is being used to create that, or to bring that image. If you come to style sheet, this one, main css, so we are going to follow asset css, main css. So direct to our folder, we need first to find asset. asset. All right, then we also need to find something else, CSS. Then we need to find main CSS. This is the CSS that the programmer was working on. So if I want to check where the header wrap is, I'll just use the find and click find. No, you can always find header wrap, so you can find. Yeah, here it is. So it is just here. So if you want to know where the image is, right, where the image is, you can check here, background URL is image header bg. So the name of the image is header bg, or header background, and that is how it is done. So where is it? So we need to look for img or images. So this dot means 1 2. It means you go back 1 2. So we need to go back 2 folders. 1. Okay, we go back 1 folder out, then we come to img, then we look for that header bg. Here it is, and therefore we have been able to locate where the background image is. So if you want to change, you can always change this one, either by replacing it with another one. For example, I can try to change this header background with real 11, so that we can have a different one. So if I come here, real 11, so if I save and I use another browser here, so and I refresh, you see you have a different background image, right? So that is as simple as that. So I can take back the one that was there, so that you may not forget to change. Okay, having done that, we can go down here, back in the index. So if you scroll down, you can find welcome. We all provide this one. We do only legit. Yeah, that is the welcoming notation. Then we have our mission, we have our everything is there. It's also here, so you can always change whatever you can see here, as this mostly this black part. The shield theme is powered by that and all that. Our retro, you can change that content according to what you want. That way you will be able to change index, the index page. Now we have other pages here. For example, we have contact us. Contact us is .html, and it is actually in the folder called real. So you just come back here and you can easily find it here. So we have contact us and about us. Those are, if you right click and open and it with that, you will always find the part that you can easily you want to change. For example, the descriptions. So that is as simple as that. You can change about us, you can change contact us. The rest is a bit simple, because you can change when it comes to properties. For this one, I would advise you open with admin. For example, here I can open with almost. Slash admin, slash real, and again admin. So there we go. So you can either log out as well log in. Now when you log in this one, you can easily be able to delete or edit the properties, so that way you can change this type of images and put the one that you desire. You can change the requests, you can view the client, and you can add new properties. So you can delete all of them and come and add new ones, so you don't need to work with the current ones. All right, and that is the end of our lesson on working with real estate management. Thank you very much for listening. We love you, and we hope that you will subscribe and share. Thank you.